Narrated Aisha. Allah's Messenger came to my house while two girls were singing beside me the songs of Bu'th, a story about the war between the two tribes of the Ansar, the Khazraj and the Aus, before Islam. The Prophet lay down and turned his face to the other side. Then Abu Bakr came and spoke to me harshly, saying, "Musical instruments of Satan near the Prophet?" Allah's Messenger turned his face towards him and said, "Leave them." When Abu Bakr became inattentive, I signaled to those girls to go out and they left. It was the day of Eid, and the black people were playing with shields and spears, so either I requested the Prophet or he asked me whether I would like to see the display. I replied in the affirmative. Then the Prophet made me stand behind him, and my cheek was touching his cheek, and he was saying, "Carry on. O Bani Arfida," till I got tired. The Prophet asked me, "Are you satisfied? Is that sufficient for you?" I replied in the affirmative, and he told me to leave.